Hello everyone, I'm writer, author, and reporter Evon Latrail. Right now here in Hollywood, Florida, it's definitely a rainy day out here this Labor Day. So I'm asking everyone, if you don't have to be out here, please do not be out here. I will give you guys an update later, but it's definitely a rainy day this Labor Day. So I have to get ready to go, guys, and I will keep you guys informed. Again, guys, Evon Latrail. I will give you guys an update later. Back to you, Bob. I'm signing out.